Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about a topic that is on the minds of many dentists, starting your own dental practice. So whether you are fresh out of dental school, you've been in the industry as an associate for some time, the thought of starting your own practice could be both exciting and daunting, but do not worry, I am here to help. In today's video, I am going to be discussing the first step to creating a successful business plan to allow you to start a successful dental practice. Alrighty, so what is a business plan? Let's talk about what a business plan is. A business plan is essentially an outline or a roadmap that outlines your goals, your strategies, and the business objectives, right? It is such a vital tool that is going to help you stay focused. It's going to help you track your progress, determine what your goals are, track your progress, and help you make informed decisions as you launch your practice and as you grow your dental practice. So let's have a discussion about what are some of the key components of a comprehensive business plan. An executive summary. This section of your business plan is going to provide an overview of your practice and its mission. What do you stand for? As well as things such as your target market, a competitive landscape overview, and some financial overview projections. Another component will be the market analysis. In this section of your business plan, you're going to need to conduct market research of your target audience and also analyze your competition, your competitive landscape. You want to determine what sets your business apart from other practices in the area in this section. You are also going to want to assess the needs of your patients to determine how you're going to be able to help them, what kind of business model you're going to incorporate based on their needs. Another component is going to be your marketing strategy. In this section of your business plan, you're going to outline how you plan to reach your patients and promote your dental practice. You're going to want to consider factors such as the average cost of the area. You're going to want to talk about any promotions, how you're planning to advertise and create visibility for your brand and your business. Another section is going to be operations. This is basically describing your day-to-day operations, your staffing structure, technology, equipment that you're going to utilize to help you meet the patient's needs and make sure you have good customer service for your patients. The other component I want to talk about is financial projections. This is a crucial part that a lot of dentists miss. I help my clients a lot in this section because I want to help them create a blueprint that allows them to be able to plan and save before while they're planning for the practice, have the cash flow in place during the build out, all of the cost of starting the practice, revenue projections, how many patients you're going to need to see, and how you predict your profitability. So that's it, guys. If you follow these steps, you're going to be well on your way to be able to create a very good business plan. And it's going to allow you to set yourself apart and be able to start and launch a dental practice successfully. So thank you so much for watching, and be sure to leave your comment or any questions. And if there's anything else you would like to see in a future video, please let me know. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comment, and I will see you next time.